Where are you going? That was way late in the turn and going a little too fast. Low side. Oh, his hands. His hands. His hands. His hands. El-Matale power.
Situation where the bike is
distracted
by his anger.
Oh, don't get distracted by your anchor. So it's a little bit out, but we found that escape path. Did a good job. It's not a big... Whoa, what's that? Not a big deal. See, that's what's the big deal, is that we were paying attention. We didn't crash when that car came out. Pause it. And then we crashed over here. We had to be looking where we're going to go. Let's go back a little bit.
Situation where the bike...
So this is the uncommon thing in a common situation. Oh, crap, got a little bit of poo-poo in my pantalones. But when you see this, you need to go into an red stage. Orange stage you're already in because it is a turn and corners are dangerous for motorcycle riders. So as soon as you see this, headlights kind of in your lane. Uh-oh. And this is why, let's go and get my pen out. This is why I like being in this lane position when it comes to going around a corner. If I'm in this lane position, I got to swerve a little bit. And I don't want to do a little extra swerve. I'm going to position myself for safety. You know, the whole planning thing. You know, we talk about too much. So here we go. We're going to move over here.
Distracted by his anger.
So we got a nice little adaptation. You see how he went from lane position 2. Let's go ahead and make myself a little bit bigger. There we go. Lane position 2 to lane position 3. So good job with the adaptation. Okay, if you don't know what plan is, there it is. So he located it and adapted. Whoa! Okay, so now here's the moment we take our eyes off of where we're traveling. The road is still curving, but now we're going straight. What do you think is going to happen? So we did a nice little head check. Good job. You know, whatever. Sun in the eyes when we look back. Now we got distracted by this guy taking a survey. I don't know what he's doing. And look forward. Oh, no. The road kept curving. We kept going straight, and we weren't doing what we're supposed to be doing. Guys, you need to be paying attention. You need to be paying attention. Look forward. We passed one thing. Achievement unlocked. Move on to the next. Simple. We all know what happens. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. And he dumps the bike. And now we're going to move over here.
Some other stuff, you know, banging.
We got a passenger. Good job holding his hips, you know. Leave enough space for Jesus. What? You can lane filter probably in that area. No pointing and arguing with people like it. I love this already. So let's give him some... Oh, not anymore. Did he burn out in front of him, or was he just taking off? Either way, whatever. Miss Smooth with it. Mr. Smooth with it, not Miss Smooth.
There is tailgating is, and that his rush almost leads to a crash with the biker.
So if you're getting tailgated, focus up front. That's really what it is. And if you really need to, go and pull over. Let that dum-dum in front. Okay, watch out for any merging cars coming out. See how we're so focused on behind us? If there's something that in front of us happened, we would not see it. So right now, we're all freaking out. We're actually white zoned. We're zoned out. We're not focused on what we need to do. We're focused on what they're doing. So now we're in orange stage. You got to be prepped and ready. Go to the pullover. Why? Okay, is he going to get, like... Is this like a trying to thieveries? Is this a thievery thing? If so, get the heck out of there. All right, move on, Ricardo Motovlogs. No gear whatsoever. Not smart, not good. Looks like there's a rider behind him. Where are you going? That was way late in the turn and going a little too fast. Low side. Oh, his hands. His hands. His hands. His hands. You see how late he turned into it with that speed? Ah, there's his hand touching the ground. Did he have a passenger? No, that's just him. I was gonna say his head's rolling on the ground. There he goes. So a little bit too fast into that corner, and that's a no bueno situation. Oh, we got more. Let's see what your hands look like, buddy. How come nobody shows injuries? You know what I mean? Nobody shows their injuries right after. Yeah, make sure you're safe. Get out of the area. That person almost hit you. So not having the appropriate gear and going pretty fast right into the corner. So we are not even slowing down, really. He just rolled off the throttle now. You need to do it sooner, especially on a turn like this. I mean, look at this turn. Look at that. I went off-road a little bit. But the thing is, it is a very sharp decreasing radius turn. And look at, we haven't even really slowed down. So part of making sure that you're being safe in the turn is obviously slowing down. But here's the thing. You need to look far ahead. We have plenty of good vision. We have a great line of sight when it comes to that whole turn. So we should have already known that we need to take it slower. And plus there was that sign. So we always look for signs, look for debris, and then look for your entry. And if you can see the exit already, perfect. But you need to adjust your speed. You might be going too fast. You need to not do this. So wear gear in case something happens. So look far ahead, adjust your speed, and wear gear. Because you never know. So that's when we start to do a little bit of a low side. We lost some traction, and there is the pain. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, free-com, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. Here we go. Irving Della. All right, moving through here. Nice job swerving out of that situation, but how did we get in that situation in the first place? You see how you can't see anything around this vehicle. This is a line of sight problem. Can't see your direct line around this vehicle. Can't see anything, so you need to creep around it. I keep using the scenario of being in a haunted house. Okay, can't run around corners. That guy with the chainsaw or whatever it is going to come get you. You want to go nice and slow around it. Coast is clear, then you go ahead and go. Or you push your kid in front and they get trapped and you can run. But we're going to get through here, and that's going to be the moment we see that side of the vehicle on that left turner. Very dangerous for motorcyclists. In intersections, we should be orange stage, so we shouldn't even be doing this in the first place. We should be wearing gear, and we're not being very smart on this, so not good. But I'm super happy that nothing bad happened. So we're going to get through here. He's going to go ahead and swerve a little bit. There's that side of the vehicle. I keep telling you, and I keep saying it because I want you to understand that. Side of the vehicle. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and move on. So good job with the swerve. Be a little bit more patient around intersections, especially when you have terrible line of sight and you don't have gear, because your risk is super duper duper high. Okay. Anyways, whose fault? I don't know. Let's find out. All right, we're riding around. Not too big of a deal. Okay, a merge issue. Now, why would he merge? We don't know. And honestly, it doesn't really matter too much. Ooh, this one's gonna be interesting. So let's take a look at the scenario that we're in. So we're like on a frontage road. This is the off-ramp of like the interstate or something. So we got vehicles wanting to come in here. So I'm guessing since it's an off-ramp and a frontage road, we're gonna have an intersection coming up and there's an opportunity to go left, either over or under the interstate. So he either wants to get on the interstate or he wants to go onto the next road. So start thinking like that. We're starting to make decisions here. I don't know if we have intersections come up or not, but that's what I'm thinking. So we're gonna go ahead and switch lanes. Now, we didn't wait until the double white turned into a slotted white or a hashed white line. The truck did. Okay, so we did something that the truck was not anticipating because you weren't following the rules. Okay, and he did, and we got cut off. It's not really we got cut off. It's that we were going too fast for the whole situation. We're going faster than him, so we caught up to him super quick. It's the same concept. Is like you're far away from my finger right now, and then we're getting closer. Okay, now I'm speeding. Oh crap! The finger cut me off. Same concept. Take a look at this. Vehicle small, vehicle big. We're getting too close. That means our speed is too much. Now, one thing I will give him, he did a good job with that red stage maneuver and got himself out of that situation, found an escape path. An escape path is extremely needed for little things like this. Where's my button for the escape path? I don't see it. Oh, it was right in front of me. Here's the escape path right here. Making sure you're planning right. He found it, took it, did what he had to do, got himself out of there. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.